So our third and final pouring activity on the shelf is a complex pouring activity. So for this one today, I have chosen to have pouring through a funnel. So I need my little pot. This one will tip over if I lean too much on it. So we need to be able to pour confidently now without leaning the jug on our container. We have this little funnel. So this takes pouring at a delicate speed, otherwise it will overfill. So we model how we put the funnel in, and we pick up our jug as before. And we pour steadily, allowing the water to flow through. Pop it down, and now our water is safely in our pot. We take our funnel out and place it back on the tray. If you wanted to, when you have water pouring activities, you also could put out a small piece of sponge onto the tray, so if they have any spills they can mop them up. So you don't need a great big whole sponge, but if you take one of the, for example, little scouring sponges, you could probably cut a quarter off that and just pop it on the tray, or a little piece of natural sponge, just so they can mop up any drips and if necessary squeeze them back into the jug.